Hey everyone, this is rather a quick video. I'll be sharing my method on how to effectively break in keyboard switches without a need to spend 3 or 4 months waiting until they'll become smoother themselves. I've seen a really similar method used by somebody on Reddit, but I couldn't find it as a filming to credit him. Firstly, why should you break in your switches? It's because some of keyboard switches like Kale Anki Creams or MX Blacks come pretty scratchy out of the factory, and to fix this, switch stem and housing need to be smoothened. Lubing doesn't do enough of a job, so the only way to fix this is to use switches extensively before lubing. Doing this, the surface will smooth out itself and switches will feel way smoother and less scratchy. It is important to mention that if you do this after the switches are lubed, you'll need way more work since there'll be less friction. What you'll need for this method is switch loop station or a switch tester, switches themselves, and your hands. I like to begin with putting all the switches in a loop station. And after that, rotating it upside down. After that's done, all you have to do is press the loop station up and down so the switches start moving. Try to be as consistent as possible, but it's not a huge deal if you move them sideways for a bit. I'm not really sure how many switch presses do you need, but I think something like 10,000 is enough. I'll be doing 10,000 for myself. In case to measure how many times you press, you can set up a stopwatch on your phone, and while pressing the loop station up and down at a normal speed, count to 100. After 100 presses, check how much time it took. For me, it takes about 30 seconds. Now, all you need to do is start a timer for example 5 minutes, which should approximately turn out in a 1000 switch clicks, and start pushing. I hope this helped you out, and see you sometime soon, Space Cowboys.